Hello guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me, Aina. Ngayon ay magluluto tayo ng century tuna with egg. Ginisa ko lang ang century tuna. Pagkatapos ay sinunod ko na rin ang itlog. Ito na ang ating century tuna with egg. Simpleng ulam lang yan guys, pero masarap. That's all for today guys. If you like our video, don't forget to buy us a cup of Coke or coffee and see you next time. Bye!